Hello guys, it is me, and today I'm going to be sharing a few of my fidget toys. So first of all, I have this poppet. So I really love this poppet. It's like amazing. I really love the colors with it, and I think it's probably my favorite poppet out of all my 3 poppets. So yeah, I give that a 10 out of 10, or maybe 9.5 out of 10, but I really like it. And then my second poppet is this. So this poppet is from like a toy store. So my other ones are the other one that I just showed you was from Amazon. Was from Amazon, and this one is from Amazon. I'm just gonna turn the light on, an extra light. Hopefully this helps a little bit. Okay. So I was showing this, and I really like this poppet. The same, but this rainbow poppet pops the most. Out of all of them, this one pops the most, so it's my favorite. My fourth fidget is this Christmas tree squishy. Okay, my third Rubik's Cube. And then I have this stress ball, a Neato. They're like so good. I love them. Yeah, that. And then I have this small little Santa squishy, mini squishy. And then I have this llama Orby filled. The face smeared off. It was right here. The face was here. But yeah, it got smeared off. So that was too bad. And the next thing I have is this. It's this banana Neato, the fruit set of Neato fruits. My strawberry one popped, so you won't be seeing that one. So I have that. Next, before I had monkey noodles, I made a homemade one out of loom bracelets. It does not feel the same at all. But yeah, I have that. And then I have a good old Tangle. I love Tangles because they're really fun to play with, and you can break it apart. See, look, it's broken apart. Wait, let me clip it back together real quick. Okay, next I have this Panda mini squishy. It came in the Squish 'em series. I really like that series. I have 2 of these, so you'll see another one in this video. And then the next thing I have is this knead ball. I don't know why I say call it knead ball, because you need it. I have this. It's like a mini beanbag. Maybe you can hear it. There's gonna be music on this video, so yeah. You might not hear me as clearly, but I think you will. And then I have a slap bracelet. You're probably wondering, a slap bracelet really isn't a fidget toy, but it is. Like, trust me, it is. Because, like, you can, like, play with it. This slap bracelet kind of is broken because it's like a weird thing. But yeah. And then I have I have this. It's really hard, a baseball squishy, a really hard one though. It's like really hard. So that's like a really hard squishy. Probably my most hard squishy. And then I have this sensory putty. Let me like open this real quick. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to open. I won't open it, but yeah, this is what it looks like on the front. You might have this, but you might just have a normal Aaron's putty. I have this football. It's not as hard, but it's as the baseball, but it's still hard. So next I have this poof ball. It's like so fluffy. It's basically a keychain, but like I just like it. It's like I like the fur on it. Okay. Next. Oh my gosh. This is a train track, I think. I don't know what they call it. It's kind of like, I want to call it a bicycle chain, but it's like, I don't know why they call it the other one a bicycle chain. They should call it an infinity chain. But yeah, this. Yeah, I like this. Next, oh my gosh. This is like in my top 2 or 3. Probably 3 or 4. So yeah, I really love infinity. It is smaller than I thought. On camera, it looks big, but it's like really small. But I love it. It's like amazing. It's just like infinity. Like, I hate things where you have to, like, you do something with it, and then you have to undo it to redo it again. So I hate that. But I really don't have to do that a lot. But yeah. Next I have this cube. I shouldn't count it as a fidget. So yeah. I have an original Rubik's Cube. And then I have, oops, I don't want to see that. Okay. And then I have, let me gather all of them up right here right now. See if I can even find all of them. Oh, they are. Okay. Okay, I found them all. Monkey noodles, like real monkey noodles. Yeah, I love monkey noodles. They're amazing. I love them. They're really fun to play with and stretch. It's like a rainbow. Cool. Okay. Next, I have like 6 of these. They're like a stretchy guy. You like stretch it, you pull it. I said stretch. Sometimes you can pull the head off. I traded one with my friend, and she accidentally pulled it off. So, yeah. Next, I have this. It's like covered in a net, like an Orbeez, kind of. I really love this. Okay. Sorry for all the adjustments with the camera. But yeah. Next, I have, sorry. Okay, next I have it's so squishy. It's like so squishy. The unicorn, oh my gosh. And then I have another unicorn. It's not as squishy, but it's like still really squishy. It kind of has like a hole here, but that's fine. That's why I'm careful with it. And an Orby ball. I love this Orby ball. Oh, it's amazing. And then, oh my gosh, you might know what this is. I don't know if it's new or not. Like I had never heard of it before in my life. But yeah, I was really excited to show you guys a snappers. You might know what this is. So like you take your hands, pop it together, and it pops off. So that I literally love. Oh, the other way. It's so fun. And then I have this really mini squishy of a cheetah. And then I have another one of these. And then, oops. And then I have this wacky ball. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. And then, oh my gosh, this is my favorite slap bracelet. I have 3 slap bracelets. It's so cute. I love it. I got it in Disney World like 3 years ago. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This one is like one of my favorites. Probably in like my top 7. This. Oh my gosh. So you might have this in a cube. I have it in a fidget spinner. And like in a fidget spinner shape form. And it also spins like a fidget spinner. So I love it. Next, I have another stretchy guy. Oh my, I love this one. Like, love. Like a sequin flip. I love it. Heart. I got it in New York. And my last fruit needle, the strawberry popped, so I was really sad about that. So yeah. And then I have 4 Rubik's Cubes, and this is the last one. It's like Earth, like all the different planets, so it's really cool. It's impossible, though. It's even harder. You might have one of these things. A mini Nito, like really mini. A pea popper. I love pea poppers. Pea poppers are amazing. Pea poppers, I love them. Like, they can break though very easily. So you don't want to pop them too hard. Oops, sorry about that, guys. A low battery percentage went on my phone. So I have this, yeah. And then I have, oh my gosh, so, remember I was talking about this Squish'em? Well, this is the other Squish'em I was talking about. It's the legendary one. It's so nice. Oh, wow, okay. Infinity Cube. You're probably wondering, no, it's not just a cube. You open it up, and you can play with it. like, there's all different kinds of sides, but I like keeping it in the cube until I play with it next. Like, you can do so many cool things with it. It's really hard getting it into a cube, so that's why I like to keep it in a cube. So yeah, that's like really fun. I have a scrunchie because like it kind of counts as one because like you can stretch it and flick it. And then this isn't a fidget. I don't know why I think it's a fidget, but yeah, this. Like you move the numbers. My next thing, Lab Buddy. Let's see if I can open this one. Yeah, I don't think I can open this one. And then I have how many marble and meshes? 1, 2, 3 marble and meshes. I really like them because like you can push them back and forth, and you can also do like this and like shake the marble. So I really like that. And then I like this really squishy basketball. It goes along with all my sports balls, like a basketball, football, and a baseball. So yeah. The squishiest is the basketball. But yeah. I also have this LOL squishy. It's really squishy. It's kind of a little bit like if you squish it, you have to wait for it to unsquish. So I don't like fidgets where you have to be like patient for it. But yeah. I just like when like a squishy where you squish it and it like automatically unsquishes. So or like a globe squishy, but it's hard to squish. You might have seen this, a homemade like zipper thingy. That's fun actually, if you think about it. I have more of these stretchy guys. I have 2 more of these things. And then I have 1 mochi. They're kind of fun. They're cute, but like, I don't know. I don't know if I like them or not. I have this last slap bracelet. Remember I told you I had 3, so that's my 3rd. And then second to last, I have this small putty. This, like, I cannot open, period. Lastly, a fidget spinner. I love fidget spinners. They are, like, literally the best. I love fidget spinners. They are so fun to spin. Like, I could play with them all day. So yeah. I like that one. Also, now I'm putting them all back in, and I will show you what I have holding it. It's a basket. I might change the basket. All the like small things sink to the bottom, even though I don't put the small things in first. They always just sink to the bottom. Ugh. I have lots of monkey noodles. Well, I have 4. Some people have like hundreds of fidget toys. I don't know how many I have. I think I have like something around 50. But yeah. Anyway, this is what my bin looks like. Looks like a basket. So it's this basket, big basket, like a big basket. So it's really heavy. Ugh. And I'm wearing the dots bracelet that I opened. I finally made it. So yeah. And then, yeah, so I will see you in the next video. So yeah, bye.